Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy and I'm a part-time reseller, full-time nurse, and I resell on sites like Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. And I'm coming to you today with a ThredUp unboxing. I love ThredUp unboxings. So I ordered this box actually a while ago and I've not been in it. We've just been crazy. My youngest daughter graduated high school. Work has been crazy. I've been traveling some, and so I'm just now getting to get into this box, and I cannot wait to see what's in it. ThredUp, if you're not aware and haven't looked at those before, ThredUp does rescue boxes, and they release them each day, Monday through Thursday, typically in the afternoon. And they have things like mixed clothing for women's, mixed clothing for men's. They have designer boxes, which are really hard to come by, shoe boxes, which tend to be out fairly frequently. So I was able to snag this one one day when I seen it come up. And then with those rescue boxes, you never know what you're going to get. I've had everything from things that were absolutely just salvage material to new with tags to designer items. So I love doing it. It's exciting. It does give me inventory straight to my door. I've never had a box that I've gotten that I've not at least made my money back off of the box. I've had several boxes that have been amazing that I have made great money off of, and then some that I've really just made it my money back on. But they are so fun to do, and I'm so excited to show this to you all and go through it. So I've already opened the box, but I've not been through it. This box is from Sewanee, Georgia. I live in East Tennessee, and I frequently seem to get my rescue boxes from Georgia. I've gotten them from Arizona and Pennsylvania as well, but most of mine probably come from Georgia. So this is the box, and it comes with the green and white polka dot paper, the signature paper, and then the receipt. So this is the 15 pair rescue shoe box, and I paid $80 for it. So that's gonna make, I'm gonna figure out cost of goods because I'm not a mathematician, I'm a nurse. That is gonna make, it's gonna take me a minute here. All right, so I'm gonna get this box out while it's full of paper here. So that's gonna make my cost of goods $5.33 per pair of shoes. So let's see how we do. So we got the air packs here. Skimming around a little bit. Okay. All right, y'all, here we go. We're gonna get into this. All right, so I'm just gonna start from the top. Get that out of the way without it falling off my desk. All right, these are a pair of Dolce Vita strappy sandals. Now, this is the actual Dolce Vita. If you see DV here, you're looking at more like a Target Diffusion brand. I'm looking for a size on these little puppies. The sizes wore off. They're in good condition. No real problems with them. They look like, I wear a size 8.5, 9. They look like that's probably about what they are, but I can measure these. I can look them up and kind of see what comps are. These are definitely something I would sell. It may even be something I keep. I try not to keep a lot of inventory, but something simple like this that I don't think is going to bring a huge value. If it fits me and I like it, then a lot of times I will just keep it. So, but if I decide to list these, I'll just measure them. No biggie. All right. Oh, well, these will do good. Okay, these are Steve Madden's. They're that thick canvas strap espadrille with the rubber walker on the bottom. And do we have a size on these? I do not see them. And that is one thing, you know, with ThredUp, with the mystery boxes, you never really know why they're in a mystery box. It could be that they were on the website and didn't sell. It could be something that people have sent in to consign and they decided not to list it, or it could be something that for whatever reason they chose not to list it. And I will tell you, not having sizes is one of the things that ThredUp will not list an item. Oh, here we go. And that would be, this is the Kimmy. This is the Kimmy sandal. And it is a size 7. But they're in great condition. You can see the toes. These should do really, really well. So I'm excited to get those up. Well, here we got some boots. Just some heeled boots. Lace up, almond toe, very high, zip. And that's just some fuzz. It's not nothing bad. What are you? They don't feel like anything special. These are called Forever. They're just like I think that's just kind of like either a Walmart, Kohl's, something like that brand. I will say I will list these. I'll probably put these on Depop because of the style. And then I will also put them on Poshmark. And I would probably use the keywords like witchy core, punk, vintage, inspired, that kind of thing. There is a market for those type of boots, so I'll put those down there since they're bigger. Oh, these are nice. Okay, these are Adidas. Kelly Green, they're the Stan Smith. And I do believe these are a size US 5. That would be the only thing they are, a smaller size. But I believe the Stan Smith Adidas do very well. They're in good condition. The leather on them looks good. The bottoms are good. So I really don't think, like, even the sides, I don't think I'll really do much cleanup with those. Those should be good to go as is. Here's another pair of Adidas. These are a size 6.5. These probably need to be run through the wash. You can see some spotting on there. And there's some stuff on the heel back here. The soles are in okay shape, but you can tell they have been worn considerably. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'll do with these. They are nice. No one here. I've got two daughters. We all wear 8s and above, so these won't fit us. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll probably put them in OxyClean, see if I can get the color a little bit better. If I can, I may list them for like $20. If I can't get the color better, then I'll probably just end up donating them. One of our churches locally does a clothing closet, and they allow people to come in so often, like on a Saturday, and they can just fill up trash bags for free and take it with them. And so I'll probably end up donating something like that there. All right, now we're getting to where things are kind of all over the place. Another pair of Adidas. This is an Adidas box. These are a size 8. Okay, the soles are still, you can tell they've been worn. And here comes one of my puppies. But they are in decent shape. I will give these a bath in OxyClean as well and soak them with the other ones and see how they do. Here's the other one. They just have some discoloration, but I'll probably still clean them up, and if they clean up pretty well, maybe list them for $20. If not, I'll just donate them. All right. Trying to get in here. These are cute. Okay, this is Soul Society. This is just a black flat, and it has this netting with polka dot on it. It feels like suede leather. These are an 8. I do not see a style, and I do not see anything where it says that it's a leather, but that is a leather sole. And I'm almost positive that is a suede leather. So I'll definitely be listing those. Oh, this is a good, okay, this box is good. Between the Steve Maddens and now this and the Soul Societies, I'm happy with it. Well, and the Stan Smith Adidas, I'm happy with this box. This is a pair of green, Kelly Green Hunter boots. They are in great shape. These are, they look like a children's. They are a size, well, maybe not children's, they're a size 5. So those are in excellent condition. The buckles are good on each side. So I'm excited about that. We'll get those listed. I'm wishing I'd opened this box maybe before, now. Let's see. What else we got here? Okay. Okay, well, these are in good shape. These are Ralph Lauren. There you go. And they're a rubber sole, but they are in great condition. Almond toe, the toes are good. The heels are good. These are, no clue on size. Oh, they are a 7.5. It's back here. And I say, yeah, I don't know. That might be a leather sole. They are a very nice leather heel in terms of the upper. So, yeah, I think that actually is a leather sole. It's just black. So, happy with those. What else? All the paper. Get some more sandals here. Okay, these are J. Crew. J. Crew. And they are a rose gold. Almost like a gladiator sandal with some gold buckles. Leather sole. These are a size 7. The toes are in great shape. The straps are in great shape. So these should do fairly well. I would say probably $25 to $30. My shoes are stacking up here. All right. Oh, these are like almost new condition. You see the bottoms of them? These are Banana Republic. These are a size 9 medium, and they are a leather upper, just a really pretty red braided thong sandal. So those should do pretty well, just because the condition seems to be really, really good. Here's a pair of Naturalizers. These are a 7 wide leather upper, just a blue loafer, and that is a suede, and then this is like a slick leather rubber sole. They're in good shape. Toes, I always look at toes. The toes are good and the heels are good. They do have some wear on the soles, but Naturalizers tend to do pretty well. They're a really good comfort shoe. All right, 3 more pair. This is Time and True. This is a size 8. This is just Walmart brand. And I may donate these to the clothing closet. They're just a rubber plastic. These are a size 8. So, but they're in good condition. They don't look like they've hardly been worn at all. So we'll see about those. May donate those. I'm running out of room here. 2 more pair. Okay, I've never found this pair or this brand, but I have seen it on other videos. It is Stubbs and Wooten, Palm Beach. And it is this beautiful black loafer with this gold embellishment. And they are in great condition. The heels hardly have any wear. The toes are great. They are 8.5, genuine leather sole. The body of the shoe is a canvas. But oh my gosh, these are really, really nice. So these should do well. I know with the particular shoe, I don't know about the style, but I know that brand does really, really well. And one more. And these are Fry. So we've got some Fry, those braided leather loafers with that leather sole. Again, the toe is in great shape. The sole doesn't bother me. Fries tend to look like that, I think. The heel back here is great. It's just a lace-up loafer. The other one is in great condition. These are a size 8.5. So, love these. We'll absolutely get those up. So that is it. I'm happy with this box. It is absolutely going to make me my money back and then some. There's only a couple of shoes I'm even questionable about listing, and it's 2 of the Adidas tennis shoes, and then the brown Walmart boots. I could list those and probably get $10 or $15 out of them just to make some money back. But, you know, I'm also good with donating them to that ministry for the church. So, but I'm excited about this box. I think it was really good. So tell me in the comments what your favorite thing was in the box. And if you haven't liked the video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out tremendously. And if you haven't subscribed and you like videos like this, I would love for you to subscribe. I'm a new channel growing, and so would just love to see people on here. This is how I got started with reselling, was watching YouTube videos and learning about brands and learning about these rescue boxes and the Goodwill outlets and all the things reselling. And so this is my way of giving back to the reselling community. So thank you all for joining me, and I hope you have a great day, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.